everyone, and welcome to this quick video introducing you to my new Patreon page, which is all very exciting. Patreon's a place where you can support an artist directly, and in exchange for your patronage you'll gain access to exclusive videos and tutorials. I'll be using my two favourite mediums, which are pastels and acrylics, and I'll be covering everything from buying supplies, comparing brands, but most of the videos will be showcasing two of nature's gifts and two of my favourite loves, flowers and animals. I will of course be including other subjects, such as some of the beautiful landscapes that surround me here in the Lake District. Can we just pause that there, please? I want you to get the idea that this is how I normally talk, because I don't. I normally talk like this. But for the purposes of this, and because there's quite a lot of information in here that I need to get across correctly, I have resorted to this, which is a teleprompter. So, sorry guys, just bear with me because there is some information in here that you need to know, and I just want to make sure that I get it correct. So off we go again with the teleprompter. Some of the videos will concentrate on a specific technique, such as how to blend or how to paint animal fur, and the videos will vary in length from bite size to much longer videos, or even multiple episodes of one video. The longer videos are in tutorial format, so you can follow along and produce your own masterpiece and be really interested to see where you take some of our tutorials. Your patronage will allow me to buy the art supplies needed to carry on producing free videos on YouTube for those that aren't in a position to pay for art education, and that's very important to me. The content is from beginner to advanced, so there's definitely something for everyone. There are different levels or tiers of support available to you, starting from as little as $4 a month. And you can end your patronage very easily at any stage. It really is easy. Tier 1 is the $4 a month level, which entitles you to one brand new exclusive video per month. Tier 2 is the $10 per month, which entitles you to everything from Tier 1 plus one additional exclusive full-length video per month and two bite-sized videos. The top tier is $25 per month, which entitles you to everything in Tier 2 plus an additional full-length exclusive video. You'll also have access to a private Facebook group where you can share and compare your versions of the tutorials, which is always fun. Also included is a free critique of your work, where I will suggest revisions or changes that will enhance your work. So here are a few examples of, well, actually they were just ones that were literally to hand. I haven't gone combing the house. These just were handy to show you. This is from an old master. It was just a tiny little bit in the corner of one of his paintings, which I blew up because I just really like the vase and the flowers. The background's quite interesting, and there's probably quite a lot to learn just in this alone. We won't be doing this because I've already done it. It's in acrylics, that one. This is Henry. This is Henry in real life as he is. This is Henry as I've drawn him in pastel pencils, almost exclusively pastel pencils in this one, apart from a little bit of his body, which are ordinary soft pastels. He's ready to go in the post. I've shown a picture of him to his mum and she's delighted, so that makes me happy too. So we'll be going through quite a lot on pet portraits. I think it's a good skill to have. I'm sure you'll enjoy painting your own pets. And then this is called The Old Barn, and this one was offered free on YouTube. It was an episodic tutorial. It went for about 8, 9, 10 hours, and it was split up into twice weekly, hourly tutorials. And people followed along with me, and their work ended up really well. So I'm proud to say that it works. I can teach. So that's kind of it, guys. I look forward to seeing you on my Patreon page. Hopefully you'll feel that I can give you something. And I'd like to see you there. Thanks very much. Bye.